I'll just show you how to pair your mobile with the Bluetooth system in the Ford Kuga. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. So that's on. It's not showing anything at the moment. Go to phone. No phone paired. Please add a phone. So we've got add there and cancel. So we click add.
Search for sync on your device and enter the PIN provided by sync.
That's showing hands-free at the moment, but there you go, it's changed to sync. So click there. Please begin pairing by entering this PIN 351559. So 351559 pair. I don't want it to sync with my contacts, but you will. So I'll click don't allow there. That's it.
Successful.
That's it.
Please check your device and, if necessary, grant sync permission to access it. For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
It's asking me if I want to download my phone book. You will, I don't. So again, no on the right hand side, yes on the left. And that's it.